What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to our channel. We came out to Reno again for my birthday.
Tell them about the shoes. That's about to drop it. You are so, oh my gosh, Erin. You guys, I would talk, but I look a hot mess. But we're on our way to the room right now, and I'll put my makeup on, and I'll be in the camera. See you guys then. This is so pretty out here. These floors are so slippery. Huh. Do you feel that, or is it just in my... Oh. Ooh, it's slippery. It's another pool? Oh, the same pool. A different pool?
Same pool.
Oh shoot, my mask fell off. You sure this is the one elevator?
Yeah.
Going up.
Aaron said this is the rich side. We wasn't on this side last time. Oh wow, what the heck? They're probably all in there together, huh? Right? So like, somebody can probably like walk in, you know, like two different rooms. Uh oh. Yeah? This is it?
Yeah.
Where's that tub at? Right? Ow. Ugh, this one is not even all that. Where's the tub? Okay. The shower? Yeah, it's here. Oh wow, you got we got a little TV in here. Look at me chilling. Oh, do not look at me. Look at the TV. We got a TV. Look at it.
Oh, look, the jacuzzi.
Aaron, he's so irritated. I can't stand you. Look at the shower. This is nice, you guys. Wow, finally. This was it. Well, this is not even the room we're supposed to even have anyway in the first place either. Oh look, and these rooms don't connect, huh? No, I like this. You guys, I like the rooms that don't connect. Like the little door in the room. Oh, that gets on my nerves. You guys, I look crazy. Okay, you guys ready for that view? Yes, I'm ready. I want to see. Okay, it's not all that. Wow, that is beautiful though. Look at that. Oh. Wow. This is nice. Look at that. Finally, a better view. This is so much. This is really nice. This room is better. Look at that. You can see me way over there, like, hey. Wow. Like we're friends. Extra, no. You got anything to say before I hang up? You guys, I'm about to do my makeup. I should do it. Get ready with me. Huh? Take your mask off. This guy. Look who's done. Who me? Let me turn this baby around. So we are about to go ahead and eat. I'm so happy, you guys. Like, I can't wait to get in that tonight. Aaron, you want to say anything? It's dark in here. He in here big chilling. Look, you guys, we turn all the lights off. So, oh, shoot. Turn this back on so I can show you guys. Look at the view. Look at the view.
Tell the little kid to respect his elders.
Beautiful. I can't wait till the morning.
Beverages?
Oh, Aaron, your TV.
Slicing of the throat gesture show.
TV's messing it up.
Oh, you know what else?
But look beyond it. It's beautiful. We're watching the sunset right now. That's why we turn all the lights off. But yes, we're about to go eat, huh, Aaron?
Pretty soon.
Yeah, we're just waiting. It's super busy. Aaron, come and talk to the camera. It's super busy. And how long is the wait?
We got an hour to an hour and a half wait.
Oh, yeah, wait. They can't see what we're doing. Okay. I love this mirror. I cannot wait for our house. Huh? What kind of Jordans you got on?
Beaters.
Shut up, Aaron. Okay, let me talk to you guys. This is not right. Okay, so we just got done eating. And we already did some shots. And tonight we are on Patron. Yeah, the food. Oh, man. Why do we never have a good setup? God dang. Aaron, help me out. Okay, we'll just talk right here. You said what now?
Food was horrible.
My food was better than his. I guess his steak wasn't that good. And my king crab was bad. It was popping. And now we're about to take our shots. Aaron, toast. Oh, that's enough. That's it for you. He poured a lot. We was already drinking in the car. Whew. You guys, no more for him, but for me, yes. Okay, so what we about to do? Tell them our plans.
About to go gamble and then go from there.
Yep. So I'm gonna gamble at least about. We're gonna start off. Well, he gets 100 and I get 100, and we'll let you guys know what we win or if we lose, but we're not. So, all right, let's go. And we keep getting stared at, huh?
Yep.
Yeah, because we always forget, like, we don't see, in our eyes anything wrong until we're, like, out in public, and then it's a reality check, like, yeah. Aaron. Uh-oh.
Okay.
Okay, and we'll just let you guys know what's going on and did we win or not. I'll update you guys. We're just now getting up. Next day. This is our beautiful view. Like, this is so nice to wake up to this. Oh, it looks like this though. Like, you can literally see like everything. So nice. Hello you guys, this is Amaria, and I just wanted to let you guys know that we did lose a bunch of footage, pictures, and whatever that we had going on in this video. But thank you for watching, and please like, subscribe, and show some love by supporting and liking and pressing that like button. Bye, thank you for watching, bye.